Money never makes you rich. Your parents' happiness, your parents' blessings. If you try to give happiness in your parents' life, you will definitely become a rich person. Rich from mind, rich from thinking. Richness always came from your thinking. Richness never came whatever bank balance you have. If your parents are happy, if you are living with your parents and you are give respect and take care of your parents when you are young, it means you are one of the millionaire person on this earth. And blessings of your parents will create magic in your life. Believe me, don't behind the money, don't think about how to earn, how to become rich. Just try to give happiness to your parents. You will automatically become successful person in your life. Namaskar, sat sri akal, salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I am going to talk about weekly prediction. Week commenced from 26th of April 2021 to 2nd of May 2021. You know very well my all prediction are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your zodiac sign or moon sign. Let's talk about Libra ascendants. Libra ascendants, this whole week from 26th of April to 2nd of May, Monday and Tuesday will be rewarding days for you. You are feeling much relaxed and better. You will enjoy very good moment with your spouse, with your near and dear. Your seniors will be happy and satisfied from your performance, but there is strong chances you may switch off your job. Monday and Tuesday, your source of earning will develop. You will enjoy all-around success. Money came from hidden source. Money came from foreign overseas land. If you are importer exporter, you will definitely happy because some foreign transactions make you happy. Wednesday and Thursday, again, you will be on better side, but you need to be careful about your health. Your stomach related problem, your eyesight related problem will irritate you. Don't avoid any negative symptom related to your health. Overall, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday will be rewarding days. If you are willing to switch off your job, this is a right week. If you are trying to find a job, you will definitely get job. Jupiter transit in your 5th house, in your Pancham Bhav, aspecting is on your first house. 9th aspect is on your first house. 6th Lord transit in your 5th house, aspecting is on your 9th, 11th and 1st house. It is simply shows unemployed people will get job. You will blessed with a lot of sorts of earning. If you are in already job, there is a strong chances your salary will rise. You may get promoted. You will enjoy very good comforts at your workplace. Due to the Jupiter blessings, you will be top and sky high. Friday and Saturday, you will spend lovely time with your family and friend. But you need to be careful. Don't show your ego or attitude in front of your spouse, in front of your near and dear or your in-laws. Try to give respect to your in-laws, especially father-in-law. If you are married, then you must take blessings from your father-in-law. It will be help a lot. Biggest game changer remedy for you. Must read Gayatri Mantra 121 times every day morning. You will definitely feel relaxed, better, much comfort, and you will enjoy all-around success. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio ascendants from 26th of April to 2nd of May 2021. Scorpio, Monday and Tuesday, you need to be careful. Your health will be a matter of concern. You are not feeling comfortable. You are out from comfort zone. Some backbone related trouble, some blood related infection will irritate you. Scorpio, your ascendant Lord transit in your Ashtam Bhav. If you are a researcher, if you are astrologer, if you are a yoga teacher, if you are any type of spiritual guru, you will definitely blessed with a hidden amount of money, or you will blessed with some unexpected source of earning will rise. But Monday and Tuesday, you need to be careful about your health. Relationship with your siblings is not very promising. You need to be careful while talking with your elder or your younger siblings. This whole week brings a lot of up and down. You are not feeling better. You are not living a happy life. You are feeling very disturbed because your all major work is in pending. Your ascendant Lord transit in your Ashtam Bhav. You need to be careful while driving. You need to be careful while talking with others. Give some respect to your spouse or business partner. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. Don't try to act smart. Don't be extra clever. This whole week, especially Monday, Tuesday, you need to be careful while signing any documents. Don't show your trust on strangers. Wednesday and Thursday, your source of earning may develop because as per moon transit, you will enjoy very good self-respect. You will enjoy very good health. But overall, this whole week is not very promising for you. As per moon position, Wednesday and Thursday, you will be in a far better position compared to last 2 days. But overall, you are in a negative thoughts. Your thinking is very negative. You're trying to perform your best, but you have failed to achieve the targets. Your seniors are not satisfied from your performance. You need to be careful. Talk polite with everyone at your workplace as well as your home. Friday and Saturday, you may spend some good time with your family and friend, but your ego, your aggression will create a lot of panic situation at your home. Your spouse is not comfortable with you. Your loved one is not comfortable with you because due to your egoistic nature, due to your aggressive nature, there's a lot of problems will arise. Scorpio, you need to be careful. This whole week create a lot of unbalancing situation in your professional life as well as your personal life. You need to chant mantra Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. You must read Lord Shiv Chalisa 3 times, 5 times, 7 times, morning and evening. You must read 108 name of Lord Shiva every day morning and every night before sleep. Scorpio, this whole week will create a lot of panic situation. Drive carefully. Don't use mobile while driving. Just focus on your road. Just focus on your targets. Must take blessings from your father. Must take blessings from your mother. Be humble. Be polite. Don't use any wrong word in the respect of anyone. If you're going to disrespect any elder at your home or in society, you will definitely will be a part of any problem. Try to avoid arguments. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius Ascendants. Sagittarius Ascendants from 26th of April to 2nd of May. You will be sky high. You will get business from market. Monday and Tuesday will be rewarding days. Your spouse will support you. Relationship will be in a better zone. Your relationship with your spouse will be a better side compared to last few weeks. You will earn a lot of money. You will earn name, fame, prosperity. Your seniors are satisfied from your performance. If you are any type of shopkeeper, if you are any type of manufacturer or importer, exporter, you will definitely blessed with a big amount of money. And there is a strong chances you will get opportunity of new partnership far away place because Jupiter transit in your third house. Your confidence level will be sky high. You will enjoy very good benefits. You will enjoy very good comforts. This whole time, some unexpected money will make you happy. Your savings will rise. Your elders will help you. Your father blessings are there. Your father and your grandfather blessings are there. Wednesday and Thursday, you will be bounced back. You will get a lot of business from market. Your all efforts which you are performed in last few weeks, now this is a right week to click your all efforts, especially on Wednesday and Thursday. You will be blessed with a lot of business you will get from market. If you are related to any insurance company, if you are related to any type of automobile company, if you are related to working any type of IT company, you will definitely blessed with a lot of gains. This whole period brings a lot of positivity. You will enjoy a lot of mental peace, but you need to be careful about your mother health. You need to be careful about your father health on Friday and Saturday. Health of your mother and father will be a matter of concern on Friday and Saturday. But financially, professionally, you will be top. You will earn a lot of money, name, fame, prosperity. Everything will knock to you in a very nice way. Your all struggle will convert in sweet success. Your savings will rise. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Sagittarius, perform your best. Burn one desi ghee diya in front of Lord Vishnu on Thursday evening. Must read Vishnu Sahasranam or listen Vishnu Sahasranam, Lord Vishnu Sahasranam. And second, must wear yellow sapphire, right hand index finger. It will be a biggest game changer act for you, near about 3 to 4 carat. I'm going to talk about Capricorn Ascendants from 26th of April to 2nd of May. This whole week, Capricorn, you will be sky high. You will earn a lot of name, fame. First 2 days, your seniors are satisfied from your performance. Monday and Tuesday, you will get a lot of business from your work. Your savings will rise. Your source of earning will develop. You will enjoy very good time with your colleagues. You will spend very good time with your seniors. Or if you're a businessman, you will spend very good time with your suppliers or your buyers. This whole week, create a lot of magic in your professional life. You will be top. You will be sky high, Capricorn. Saturn is in your first house. You will be blessed with a lot of opportunities. But you need to be careful while talking with your spouse. Don't show your ego or attitude in front of him or her. Wednesday and Thursday, your health will be matter of concern. Some unexpected expenditures create some panic situation. Your savings will spend as a wastage. Need to be careful while spending your money. Some long distance, short distance journeys will make you happy. There is a strong chances you may go somewhere. Sudden travel are there on Wednesday and Thursday related to your job or business. Capricorn, this is very productive month. If you perform your best, you will definitely get good business, good respect you will earn in this week. Friday and Saturday, again, you will enjoy very good comforts. Your health will fine. Your relationship with your family will be ultimate. Your savings will rise. Your old debts will be clear. If you're willing to apply new loan, your loan will click. You will enjoy all-round success. Your good health, you will enjoy very good health on weekend. This whole time you will spend wonderful time with your elders at home or your spouse, but you need to be careful while talking with the spouse. Don't show your ego or attitude in front of him. This whole time, this whole period create a lot of magic in your life, Capricorn. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants from 26th of April to 2nd of May 2021. This whole week brings a lot of positivity for you. Monday and Tuesday, you need to be careful while investing your money. You will be a part of any problem. Don't invest your money if you don't have any knowledge about any work. If you want to switch off your job, this is the right time. Your source of earning will develop. You will enjoy all-round success. Aquarius, your old pending work will click. You will earn money from multiple sources of earning, but don't invest your money if you don't have any knowledge about that field. Now I'm going to talk about Wednesday and Thursday. You need to be careful while talking with your spouse. Your personal relationship will be a matter of concern, but your source of earning will develop. You will get new business opportunities. This whole time brings a lot of enjoy, entertaining moment with you. You may meet your friend, you may meet your loved one, and you will spend quality time. Friday and Saturday, your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. If you're willing to switch off your job, this whole week brings a lot of positivity for you. You must try to find a new job. You will definitely get this whole week. If you are stockbroker, if you are real estate merchant, if you are selling car, vehicle, seller, purchaser, you will definitely blessed with a big amount of money. This whole week create magic in your life. Some unexpected gains are there. You are in a lot of mental comfort are there. Your health will fine. You will enjoy very good positive energy. Your thoughts are very positive. You will think very good and very big because Jupiter transit in your first house, which is very strong position of Jupiter. If you are unmarried, you may meet someone your relationship will convert in a long-lasting relationship like marriage. Or if you are alone, if you don't have any girlfriend, there is a strong chances you will definitely meet one of the special friend in this week. Especially Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday will be rewarding days. This whole week, Aquarius, you will be in a better side in the terms of finance, in the terms of earning, in the terms of if you're willing to switch off your job, if you find new job, you will definitely find a very good job. If you are unemployed, you will be blessed with a job. You need to perform your best, put your efforts, put your energy. The more you put efforts at your workplace, you will be blessed with a lot of gains. You will get a lot of gains through stock market. Your old investment will give you very fruitful results. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants. You need to be careful while spending your money. This whole week create a lot of up and down situation. Your health will be matter of concern on Monday and Tuesday. Your legs pain, your neck pain, your eyesight related trouble are there. You need to be careful, Pisces. You need to take blessings from your father or your grandfather's side. Try to start your day and try to touch feet of your father before start your day. If you give respect to your father, you will definitely blessed with a lot of good fortune. Otherwise, you will be part of any problem. Health issues are there, especially on Monday and Tuesday. You need to be careful. Must chant this mantra, Om Sita Ram Cha Hanumate Nama, Om Sita Ram Cha Hanumate Nama. Must visit Lord Shiva temple every day morning. Wednesday and Thursday, your source of earning will develop, but you are trying to perform your best, but results are not as per your expectations. But you will earn good money compared to Monday and Tuesday. Overall, this whole time, Wednesday and Thursday create magic in the terms of your profession. If you are unemployed, you may get job. If you are willing to settle in foreign land or you are finding a job in foreign land, there is a strong chances you will easily settle in foreign land and you will get PR or work permit. This whole time create magic in your life if you are willing to settle in foreign land, or if you are dealing in foreign land, you will bless with the foreign transactions. Pisces, perform your best. Must read Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, or Sita Ram Cha Hanumate Namah. Sita Ram Cha Hanumate Namah. Must take blessings from your father's side. Friday and Saturday, you will spend wonderful time with your spouse. You will spend wonderful time with your elders at home. But overall, this whole week create some unexpected expenditures, create a lot of unbalancing situation between your savings and your expenditures. You need to be careful of spending your money. But foreign transactions are there, foreign settlement are there. Your health will be a matter of concern. Monday and Tuesday, you need to be careful. If you are going to signing any new documents, or you will be a part of any new business venture, then Wednesday, Thursday and Friday will be rewarding days for you. Try to avoid black and blue clothes in this week. Try to wear red clothes. Try to wear yellow clothes. You will definitely feel magic. And must go for Lord Shiva temple every day morning. I'm praying for your happy future. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.